everyone, my name is Laura and today we're going to be doing another random color challenge video. This time around, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. You guys voted for this palette, so I'm going to be filming this video using the infamous Subculture palette, which I personally really loved. If you watched my review from a few months ago, then you will already know that I think I was one of the very few people on YouTube that really liked this palette. But I stand by what I said in that review. I really enjoy the colors. The quality is amazing. It's such a great palette. It's unlike anything that I have in my collection. But don't worry, I will be filming a random color challenge with the ColourPop palette as well as some of my Juvia's Place palettes, which I love. But today we're focusing on this bad boy. For this round, I'm going to be choosing 5 shades using my little sticker method with my eyes closed. Hopefully I don't poke any of the eyeshadows. I just cut my fingernails, so hopefully that won't happen. But this one doesn't have the eyeshadow layout on the back, so I have to go on the palette. So wish me luck. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna get my first sticker. Okay, I can feel it on my fingertip. Okay, I feel it. Okay. Oh no, that's where the brush goes. Okay, let's shoot for somewhere here. Yes, perfect. Okay, I think I placed it. So we have the 5 colors chosen. The first one being Cube, which is like an iridescent transformer shade. Then we have Fudge. I tried to put the sticker in the middle of Fudge, but it fell out. So I placed it right over here, but there's a little imprint, so this was chosen. Then we also have Destiny, which is right above it. This sticker is closer to Adorn, which is a metallic bronze shade. And then the last color is Edge, which is this kind of mustardy yellow. So here are the swatches of the 5 colors I'm going to be playing around with. So you can see I'm playing around with earth tones once again, which I've learned to really love. So I've already primed my eyes and I think I know what I want to do with these colors. So I'm gonna start off with Fudge and I'm gonna take it on a very fluffy brush. So I'm just really going to diffuse this first color out. So it's going to act not only as my transition shade, but I'm also going to use it to deepen up the crease in just a little bit. From there, I'm going to be grabbing Edge with a really dense paddle shaped brush, and I'm going to be applying this all over the mobile eyelid area. So I'm just going to press this color all over. You don't need to be like doing any swipes. I'm literally just pressing the pigment on my eyelid. And this is one of the colors that does oxidize a little bit depending on the primer that you use, so keep that into consideration because these are more like pigments than, you know, like a regular eyeshadow. But I don't mind it. It gives the effect that I have 2 different eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna keep pressing it and then we'll do a little bit of blending. Now I'm gonna go with Adorn, and I'm also gonna be using a very dense and small shader brush, and I'm going to just press this. I think I'm gonna use my finger actually. Adorn is very strange. Yeah, my finger worked a lot better. So this is definitely a color that you just want to press onto the eyelid. Now I'm gonna go with Edge once again and just really fuse these 2 colors together. I'm also going to start blending out Edge ever so slightly. Now I'm gonna be taking Fudge again and I'm going to start really smoking this out. And now I'm going to blend. For this particular look, I really want to have more of a rounded shape as opposed to something more sharp. So I'm gonna focus on rounding the edge right here. Blending takes a really long time. What can I say? Especially when it's like dramatic. I really want to take the time to like blend and blend and blend so everything looks as nice as I can make it. I also want to take a little bit of edge and I'm gonna apply it on the edge. So right above the brown. I also want to apply edge over here. Now for Destiny, we're going to be applying this on the lower lash line. I got some eyeshadow in my eye. So I'm just smudging this and smoking it out. And now I'm going to take a cube with a really small brush and I'm going to be popping that in my inner corner. Ooh, I like that a lot. I actually also want to apply just a tiny bit on the center. Right here. I'm not super happy with the way Adorn looks, so I'm gonna try my best to press a little bit more on the center of the lid. So I think I'm done with the eyeshadows. I'm going to do a time lapse, just clean up a little bit, add eyeliner, mascara, lip color. Everything that I use in the time lapse will also be linked down below in the information box. So let's get started. I want to see the whole look all done now. And this is the finished look. I was originally going to do a nude lip with this look, but then I felt it was a little bit too predictable and safe. So I saw this little deluxe size sample of the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Nosferatu, and I went with it. I just went with it. I did use a little bit of a nude lipstick right on the center of the lip to kind of highlight, but I really like this bold red with the eyeshadows. It's dramatic, but I feel like it goes together, especially since the mustard yellow is a warm tone. I don't know, I really like it. Let me know if you guys like the red lip with this look in the comments below, and let me know if you want another round of the random color challenge featuring the Subculture. But the next one will be using my custom ColourPop palette, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe so you don't miss out on more random color challenge videos, because I will be doing these all year long. So you're gonna get a bunch of makeup ideas all year long. I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys are too. Like I said, subscribe if you're brand new, follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye! Look at this. I'm gonna go meet Brandon Flowers and Ronnie freaking Benucci. I'm about to pee my pants, I'm not gonna lie. I have been wanting to meet them and trying to meet them for the past, oh my god, I don't even know, like